is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I have got some laundry motivation for you guys today. I had about 6 or 7 loads of laundry to get done. It was mostly towels and like some throw blankets and sheets and a load of regular clothes. But I am just starting by just going through everything and getting everything separated and ready for the wash. So now I'm just getting a load of towels tossed into the washer, and ignore how dirty my washer is. That's actually next week's video that I've got planned, is getting my washer cleaned really well, and like a few other places in the house that you don't think about cleaning. That is all going to be in the next week's video. But this week I am just doing a little laundry motivating video for you guys to kind of help you get a little motivated to tackle some laundry, even if it's just one load of laundry, as long as you're getting something done. So I got everything tossed into the dryer, and now I'm starting the washer. And the laundry soap I'm using is a Gain laundry soap, fabric softeners Gain, and that I just found that at Walmart, and it's the first time I've ever used it on my whites, and it worked a little bit better than bleach. It got my whites a lot whiter, and my shorts, I actually had like a big black spot on them. I sat on something and I had been trying to get that spot out for a week, and just using that, it got the spot out. So now I'm just getting my towels out so I can get them all folded up. So is anybody else picky about their towels? Like my seams, they have to be going in and the tags can't be showing. I've tried to show everyone at my house how to fold the towels the way I want them folded, and I go behind all of them, my husband, kids, and refold my towels because they don't fold it the way I want them folded, because I cannot stand tags and the seams to be showing, because I don't know why, it just bothers me. But am I the only one that does fold towels like this, or does anybody else? So now I was just pulling all my whites out, and I hang up all of my bras to dry. I don't put them in the dryer because then the clothes will get tangled around the straps and it just messes up your bras, and your bras don't last very long. So I always hang them to dry. So now I'm just getting another load started. So this desk is finally cleaned off, and it's a catch-all. Things will just get tossed in here before somebody shows up. I don't know, it's just one of the rooms in the house that never stays very clean. It's just things get put in here. That little pink bag is actually a comforter for my daughter. I have to get that washed, but I don't wash it in this video because I've got everything pulled from her brother's room into her room while I've been redoing his room. So once I get everything put back into his room, I'll get that blanket washed up and get that put on her bed. But in the meantime, like, his comforter and his stuff is all on her bed and his mattress and everything. So now I am just switching out the laundry again and putting my last load in. I think this is my last load. Yeah, and getting all this put in the washer so I can get it all washed up. And I finally caught up on all of the laundry. Like, those baskets are emptied now. This just finally got everything caught up, because usually I'm never caught up. I usually always end up with 1 or 2 loads left that I still have to get done, because I don't always get everything done, because laundry is my least favorite. Like, I don't mind washing them and drying them, it's folding them. I don't want no part of it. They'll literally stay in a basket, so I have to fold it as soon as it comes out of the dryer, because if I don't, then we're totally living out of a laundry basket for a week. So I was pretty proud of myself this day, because I've literally got all the laundry washed up, folded up, and put away. So my shirt and my husband's jeans didn't get dried in the last load, so I just tossed those in with the sheets. So now I am getting the sheets and the pillowcases folded up. After this day, I remember why I always just take the sheets and put them inside the pillowcase and just put them up. That way, folding a fitted sheet is really a pain. Is not my favorite thing to do, and I was just giving it another shot to get them folded, and no. I won't be folding sheets no more. They'll just continue to get shoved in a pillowcase and put away that away. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. And next week's video coming up is things that you might forget to clean around the house, because there's a few areas in my house I realized I didn't clean and that needs to get done. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your week. And I will talk to you guys next week, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend.